Hi, in this video I'm going to show how my code works on FPGA, this calculator code. This is given as an assignment in our CS240 computer architecture class. So here's my FPGA, and now I'm going to show how my code works on it. So to make it more visible, I will leave my camera. My design is taking inputs from the switches, 3-bit input, and the output is being showed in the LEDs, 5-bit LED, because the 5-bit LED, and here I have a reset button and validating button. I made the output 5-bit because when I the maximum number that I can take as a result is 49, which is the square root of 7, maximum number that I can achieve by 3-bit numbers. So in order to represent 49, I need 5 bits. That's why my output is 5-bit. So let's start showing how my calculator is working. I have 6 different operations, and I will go step in order of in order of increase of their index. So my first operation is that I'm going to show is multiplication, and the index for multiplication is 0. The command is, so let's try to multiply 2 by 4, for example. So here I'm giving 2 from switches as an input, pushing validating button, and the number is being showed in the LED. As I said, the command for the multiplication is 0 times by 4. When I push validating button, it should show me 8. So as you can see, I also can show another example. For example, let's try to multiply 2, let's say by 1. It should give me 2. So as you can see, it gave me the true answer. The next coming operation is plus addition. The command for it is 1. So let's try to add, for example, 4 plus 1. It's a command for the addition, again 4. So it should give me 4 plus 4, 8. So it should switch on the fourth LED. So here you can see that it's worked. So let's try to make 1 plus 2. For example, it should give me 3, and it gave me the true answer. So pushing a reset button, I have reset everything. So the next coming operation is minus. So let's try to show one example of minus. So here I'm inputting 7 as an input. All three bits are being switched on. 7. The command for the minus is 2. So I'm inputting 2. For example, 7 minus 1. Only first bit switch is being on. So it should give me as an answer 6. And it gave me the true answer. We can also make another example for it. For example, let's make 7 minus 7 minus 2. Okay, 7 minus is 2. 7 minus 2. It should give me 5. So it gave me the true answer. So the next coming operation is taking the square root of the number. So let's try to take square root of, for example, I'm giving as an input 4. The command for the square root is 3. I'm giving 3 as an input, so it should give me 16. So you can see the true result 16. It's switched on 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4th LED. So let's do another example of it. So let's try to make the biggest input 7, and let's try to take its square. So square command for square was 3, so 3. So here you can see 49. The next coming operation is increments number by 1. So let's try again, take 7 as an input and increment this number by 1. The command for increment is 4. So when and from the switch I inputted 4, and when I push volume button, it should give me 8. So as you can see, this gives me right answer. And let's try make one more example. For example, let's say I have 5 as an input and I want to increment it by 1. So I should give 4 as an operation. So now it should give me 6. So it's giving me the right answer. The next coming operation is decrements number by 1. So again, let's take 7 as an input. The command number for the decrement is 5. So here I'm giving 5 as an input. So now when I push volume button, it should give me 6 as an input. So it gave me the right answer. So let's make one more example of it. Let's take 5 as an input. No, let's take 4 as an input, and the command for decrement is 5. So when I push volume button, it should give me 3. So it gave me the true answer. So that's all. I have shown all the operations working on my calculator. Here you can see the number of my FPGA. So that's all.